Hey, good afternoon mga kanayo natin dyan, mga ka-townshipers. So I just finished my work, and it's Friday, April 24, 2026. Whew. It's like I just came out of jail or something. It's tiring, but we gotta do it. We gotta eat. We gotta pay bills, etc., etc. Pay car insurance, pay the apartment. My apartment is $2,100 per month, but it has a gym at the lower level, a party room or a social room, a little library, a laundry room. What else do you want to call it? What else? A bike room where you can put your bike on the lower level. But if your bike is too expensive, you can bring it to your flat, your room, because they're not responsible if it got stolen or something. What else is in the thing? Did I say exercise room or gym? Yeah, gym room. What else? Oh, the mailboxes are there. What else? What else do I have there? Can't remember anything anymore. I'm just too tired to think right now. So guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, Joelito's Way, and just search to the YouTube and type it in, and that's about it, guys, because I can't talk too much because I'm driving. Okay, thank you guys. Free to subscribe. Okay, thank you. Cops just right past me. OPP. Okay guys, thank you for watching.